So you want to quit your 9 to 5 job and become a full-time day trader? Well, in this video, I will be sharing some realistic steps that you can take to become a full-time trader and quit your job with the help of proprietary trading firms. But just before we do that, if you are new to the channel, consider hitting the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. And make sure that you watch this video until the end because I will be announcing how to participate in 4 $5,000 challenge account giveaways from the Funded Trader program. So be sure that you watch it until the end. You're watching this video, so I am assuming that you already know about the proprietary trading firms. You know how they work, you know how you can pass their challenges, get a funded account with them and make money with them. But in case if you don't know about them, proprietary trading firms are the firms that allow you to trade their capital if you can prove your trading skills to them. To prove your skills, you have to go through the evaluation, a systematic test which is usually called funding challenge. Most of the firms, let's just take an example of FTMO. They have two-phase evaluation, which is the industry standard model of the proprietary trading firm. You first go through phase 1 where your profit goal is to make 10% without violating 5% daily drawdown and without losing overall 10% drawdown. Once it is completed, then you move on to the phase 2, and in your phase 2, your profit goal is to make 5% with the same drawdown limits. That's the simplest definition how the prop firms work. Now in this video I am going to share with you how I became a full-time forex trader with the help of these online proprietary trading firms and how you can take the same steps to become a full-time trader and quit your job. So the first step that you need to take to become a full-time trader is that you need to develop a solid trading strategy. Trading is a game of probability. Sometimes you make profits, sometimes you lose money. So you have to develop a trading system that works at least 50% of the time. And you must develop your trading edge in the market. It means you should know what works for you and what does not work for you. Without the edge, no trader can become profitable. Now you might be thinking, but Ajwat, how will I develop this trading edge? Every great trader throughout the history before he became profitable, everyone goes through losses, different strategies, practicing enough to understand the do's and don'ts of the trading strategy, understanding if the trading system is suitable according to their personality or not, and most importantly, developing the understanding of risk to reward ratio in trading. Now, if your strategy only has 50% winning profitability and you risk only 1% per trade, but your risk to reward ratio from every single trade that you're taking is 1:3, then even if you just make profits in 5 out of 10 trades, at the end of 10 trades, you will still be up 10% profits on the account. So develop a system that works at least 50% of the time, and it also has minimum 1:2 rewards from every trade, so that way whenever you will be risking the amount, at least you will be making double the amount that you will be risking. So if you have been trading for some time, then I am assuming that you already know about this. You are a consistent profitable trader. But if you are struggling to become consistent profitable trader, I recommend that you watch the videos that I have uploaded on my channel. I have uploaded around 200 plus videos on my channel where I have shared different trading strategies, different trading tips to become profitable trader. Once you develop a trading strategy, then second step comes where you have to at least save some savings up to 12 months before you quit your job and go full on trading. If you will save 10 to 12 months of expenses, it will automatically lower the stress and also lower the level of risk that you will take when you will become a full-time trader. Because in trading, nothing is guaranteed. You can have a wonderful month or 2 months trade, but after that you might not make any profits for the next month. So instead of you forcing yourself to trade even when there is no trade opportunity in the market because of the reason that you haven't made any profit in the month and you need to pay your bills as well, so I recommend you should have saved up to 12 months of expenses because you never know when the next paycheck is coming. So it's very, very important that you save some money before you decide to go full-time in trading. Now coming to our third step, you have to practice enough on your demo account to understand how do you need to take the trade, to understand when do you need to take the trade, and when you need to stop trading. And you have to practice with the same objectives, with the same risk management system, and with the same risk parameters as well that you are going to be facing on the funding challenges. So I suggest right after you watch this video, open up a $100,000 demo account with FTMO. You can get a free trial with them. Give yourself a target of 10% in a month and familiarize yourself with the objectives such as 5% daily drawdown limit, 10% overall drawdown limit, and 10% profit target. I know that you might be thinking psychology when trading the challenge is different when trading on the demo account. You're absolutely right, because you haven't spent any money when you are practicing on the demo account. There is no emotions involved when you are practicing on the demo account. So it definitely makes sense. But the whole objective to create a demo account with the same rules, with same profit target, is because you need to familiarize yourself that how you are gonna be trading on the funding challenges when you will actually take the challenge. You have to understand first how much you will be risking per trade, what should be your minimum risk to reward ratio when you will be doing the funding challenge, how many trades you need to take with a specific risk in order to pass the phase 1 of the challenge, in order to pass the phase 2 of the challenge. That is the main reason you should do the trial before you even decide to take the challenge. And we know FTMO does offer a free trial for you to familiarize yourself with the trading conditions of the funding challenge. The next step is about becoming consistent in trading. Get consistent in your trading before you even go full time. Many traders take these prop firm challenges even though they have no consistency in their trading at all. And that is the number one reason why only 2 out of every 100 traders get the payout from the prop firms. So I recommend, instead of you wasting your money on a challenge which you will most certainly will fail, get consistent first in your trading. You can definitely pass a challenge on your first try even though you are not profitable, even though you are not consistent. But this does not mean that you have become a fantastic trader, because you managed to pass the risk based on your pure luck by over risking, over trading. So my recommendation is wait until you are consistently profitable week in and week out, until you know your trading system very well and what you are looking for in the markets, then and only then take the challenge. The next step is when you are profitable consistently week in and week out, then you're definitely gonna need a funded account, because you need to trade the larger capital to make a living from trading. So you need to choose the right proprietary trading firm for you. So for the funded account, I recommend some of the prop firms, and I have added their website links in the description with some of the discount codes as well. You can see by yourself which one is the right one for you. And I have only added the links of the firms who are the most reputable firms in the industry, who have paid millions of dollars to their traders in the last few years and have also funded thousands of traders since last 2-3 years. Since you are only going to take the challenge once you are consistent, so I am assuming that you are going to pass the challenge and get a funded account, which brings me to my last step, where you are ready, you are profitable, you are consistent, and you are ready to leave your job. Okay, so now you are trading a 6-figure funded account. You have built up your consistency, you have built up your confidence, and you also have saved up at least 12 months of expenses. This is where most of the people now will think that they are completely ready to quit their job and become a full-time trader. But I would like to say, have a little bit of patience before you quit your job. Once you take the challenge, wait until you pass it, you become a funded trader, and money actually starts hitting your bank account. And not only that, you also start to make money on the consistent basis from the prop firms. You have to get comfortable trading with the proprietary trading firms first. Then it will be the time to seriously consider leaving your job and becoming a full-time trader and using prop firms as a way to make actual money from trading. So these 6 steps are the most important if you are looking to quit your job to become a full-time trader and you want to use FTMO, the funded trader, or any other firm, and you want to become their funded trader, make money with them. So that way you can quit your job and focus on trading full time. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Now let's move on to the giveaway that I was discussing. For the giveaway, I have posted on my Instagram. You can check out the link from description. You have to go to my Instagram page and you have to follow me on my Instagram. Not only that, once you will follow me, you will see a post that I was talking about. In that post, you have to tag 3 of your traders' friends and you have to ask them to follow me on my Instagram, and I will be choosing 4 different traders or 4 different comments, and I will be giving them $5,000 challenge account of the funded trader program to each individual. Winners will be announced on 15th of August. So you have plenty of time to participate into this giveaway. So I hope that you guys got some value out of this video. If you did, let me know in the comment section and leave a like if you have not yet. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.